Okay. I've got something that's in a bag.
I like bags, especially with mail stuff in it.
Yeah. I don't know, but we're gonna let it get up here and we're gonna let it pee. Oh, all right. Hello everybody, it's Jason the Magnetic Squatch out for another magnet fishing adventure. I'm with Jason from Daddy and Daughter Plus Water, and on the other side of the bridge over there, we've got Justin and Clay. They've already got their magnets in the water and pulling stuff up. Justin's already got something on his magnet. We are at a location that we've been to before. This is where Jason and myself pulled up the phone booth from right down here in this dark, mucky water. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you would like any merchandise, any magnets, or any Dr. Squatch soap, those links will be down in the description. Guys, we're going to get the GoPros on, get the magnets in the water, and see what we can find for you today. All right, everybody, today I will be using, for the very first time, my own Kratos 2400 clamp. It came in the mail on Thursday. I did open it up and show everybody on the live last night, but this is going to be the first day getting this in the water. I'm excited. Hey guys, don't forget, if you'd like to get your own Kratos magnets, check out kratosmagnetics.com and you can use discount code Squatch12. All right guys, first toss out, first find. Well, oh doggone, this thing's like falling apart in my hand. Not really sure what this was, but man, is it just absolutely falling apart. Looks like it was a filter of some sort. This kind of stuff is, oh man, right back onto the magnet. This kind of stuff is definitely good to get up out of the water. Fishing line, fishing hook, and an old paddle worm. It's a purple paddle worm. And that hook's still in great shape too. Heck yeah. I'll dispose of the worm. And we just might hold on to this hook. I'll set this right on the side over here. Almost. Oh, there you go. Oh no, then I didn't know fish could only swim so fast that their speed was regulated. Cool find, Jason. And that's the first speed limit sign we found. Yeah. All right, something I haven't done yet with this magnet is see how good of a toss I can get out there. So what do you say we give it a try? Heck yeah.
Running out of water.
More fishing equipment. An old jig. And just an old piece of nail. Once again, this jig's in good shape. I'm just going to throw the worm away and set the hook down here. Leave here with some good fishing tackle. Tool! Ugh. Got an old Craftsman. Hey, this is a Craftsman. Old Craftsman socket or ratchet. Right on. I'm a little leery about clapping these on the side of the bridge and them falling apart. And heck yeah, that's a pretty nice find right there. All right, we got another big old nail. I'm going to assume that these probably went to an old bridge or something that was out here, because you don't have big nails like this out here for no reason. And I don't know how well y'all can see it. Maybe I'll zoom in, but right here, right in that area, there's some old concrete bridge pillars. So there actually used to be a road or something that went through back there. So that might be something worth exploring later as well. Well, Jason has found something right over here that he keeps connecting to, and he's working loose. I've got something right here that I'm connected to, and I'm working loose. And neither of us can get whatever it is to want to budge up off the bottom. We can get it to rock, but we can't get it to roll. I'm about to throw my claw on and see what I can do here with it. All right, Jason got a hold of his, managed to get it, broke loose, and it looks like it's another speed limit sign.
This one's raised.
Oh, that's wild. Oh no, it says, yeah, it's speed limit.
Yep.
It says speed. All right, check that out, guys. Clay caught a camo blanket or a camo tarp. All right, while Jason's pulling up his speed limit sign, Clay found, wait, where'd he go? Clay, oh, there he is. Sweet, now you got a new blanket.
Yeah.
It'll keep you warm and dry.
But I don't have something yet.
Well, keep going. Well, let me show you. Justin has caught a few things down here. Justin pulled this up. Not really sure what it is. He's got a nail and a hook. Right on, Jason.
I did too.
Yep, right on, Justin. I did. That's a plow.
It is.
That's super cool. So Jason's been fighting with something down here for a while, and I do mean probably the last 30 minutes or so. And he finally got it broken loose. And it's a big old gear. That's super cool. Right on, brother, man. That's a heck of a cool find right there. All right, guys, I decided to take the claw off and go back at it with the magnet. And finally break something loose.
It's like part of a payphone.
It does. Oh my goodness. Let go. That looks like the door, maybe,
To the money drawer?
to the money box of the payphone, yeah. Well, remember, the payphone we pulled up, the door was missing from the money box.
Yep.
That may be the door right there. All right, guys, there's where we park down there, the little trail comes down and there's a little spot for people to put their boats in. So I'm going to try and get my magnet right out in line with that. See if I can give it a good toss out there. I think that was a good toss. All right, guys, we've got, oh, there's that jig head that I dropped earlier. An old, nasty old spark plug, probably being used as a fishing weight. And just some rusty, crusty metal. And a nasty, nasty old salamander fishing worm. That's been down there a long time. That hook is like nasty. That's not being safe for anybody. Spark plug number 2. Been a little while since Clay's pulled something up, but he got himself a spoon. Good job.
Thank you.
All right, guys, just snagged onto something. Looks like looks like it might have been a piece of a pipe or something. Spark plug number 3. I do have a store for merch. Yes.
The whole website?
Yeah. The magneticsquatchstore.com.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Where do you think your inheritance is coming from?
When I turn 18, he's kicking me out.
No. After you graduate high school, I'm kicking you out to boot camp. All right, guys, I pulled up a nail. I've been pulling up a bunch of nails, but I also got this can. Oh, this old nasty old can. And I didn't even see this on the side of the magnet. Oh man, that worm is nasty. But the jig head's still in good shape. So this jig is going to go down here and join the others. Okay, looky there. Jason pulled up one earlier, but I got me some murder metal. It's Farberware murder metal. Okay, it's not actually murder metal, of course. It's probably, you know, somebody's knife for out here cutting a rope or filleting their fish or something, but heck yeah, knife. All right, guys, I've changed sides of the bridge. We got Justin over there, Clay fishing this spot over here. Got Jason right here, and we got water right there. and we got magnet right here. And I'm talking too much, so we're gonna get it in the water. Now here's the funny thing. Justin and Clay had been fishing on this side for over an hour or so. Jason comes over here with that Titan, and it's like boom, bam, 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 bam.
I told him I was gonna find all the stuff they missed.
You find everything I miss every week.
Alright guys, we're on it again. I'm gonna see if we can get it out high enough for Jason. Where can I get on it?
Okay, it's not a safe. Oh shit, no, I can't get a clean connection on it either. Okay, let's see if I can. Ah, shit. Well, who knows? That might be enough. Nope. Boy, I was trying to catch it on another part of it, and you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, almost smacked my GoPro. All right, I think I might have a good.
All right, guys.
We can try.
Both on it.
Ah, damn. Oh, we got flat connected.
What not to do, guys?
Oops. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, all right. Wrist smack. Guys, whatever this is, you better damn well believe it's coming up out of the water. All right, guys, we're gonna throw the claw on here and see if maybe this will help. Stay away from the Titan, Jason. Stay away from. Ooh, look right there. There's a hole.
Yeah, but it's close to my magnet too.
Boy, they started sucking right towards each other. Now, where's the? I can get the hook. Ah, shit. You know what? Maybe I should do it without the magnet. Oh crap.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. All right. I'm going to use the end of my rope without the magnet on it. All right. This will resolve the magnet issue. All right, guys. Jason's got hold of it again, but what we're going to try and do is move it over here to the shoreline and see if we can't get a better connection on it that way and drag it up here. Well, it's not really the shoreline, but it's a little muddy island right here. If we can get it into the shallower water, we can see it better. Oh.
Wow. Well, it's not a safe.
No, it's definitely not a safe, but it is super heavy. All right.
I think, is that like a car part?
One last good pull.
Yep.
2, 3. Oh shit. Oh.
That was just so annoying if you just dropped.
Oh.
I mean, these wires.
Wow.
Looks like you would unscrew this.
No idea.
I'm sure there's somebody out there who knows what it is.
Yeah, it's got gears.
It's got like a piston or something here.
Yeah, yeah. This looks like it might have been a pump or something. When he first pulled this up out of the water, I saw that right there. And I thought it was the dial to a safe.
That's turning out.
But it's not. Okay. I've got something that's in a bag.
I like bags, especially with metal stuff on them.
Yeah.
I think it's just a...
I don't know, but we're gonna let it get up here and we're gonna let it pee. Oh, all right.
The bag. Open.
This bag
I'll pull it.
has some metal stuff in it. It is tied up and thrown in here. So,
Wow, that had a lot of water.
Clay, why don't you get in there, open that up. Let's see what's in here. Okay, it's a bag with a bunch of rocks in it.
It's brakes.
Brake pads, that's interesting. Okay, what's in that bag? It's a bag within a bag. That looks like just, it's just, oh, there's something else in there. Yeah, just dump it. What in the world?
Hopefully this isn't much darker than, what is that? Is that just cigar stuff?
Zigzag wraps. Yeah,
And it's just rocks.
just a bunch of rocks.
Rocks, brake pads.
That's weird.
I'm assuming this was...
We got a bag tied up with another bag tied up with a bunch of rocks
That might have been
and
weed.
brake pads.
I don't know. I don't know what weed looks like.
That's interesting.
This is weird looking weed if it was weed.
Okay, well, the rocks can go back in the water.
Wait.
What? You want the rocks?
Which one's flat? I don't think I'm gonna skip any of them here.
You could be a makeshift anchor?
I don't know, but that's weird. Yeah.
Jason's like,
Right. What do we got on here?
that's a lot.
Oh, that looks like it's an old, it's an old padlock.
Sorry, I'm not.
That is an old padlock. That definitely was not bought in this condition, and I'm sure it wasn't found in this condition. I'm not going to jump to any conclusions that something was stolen when this block was cut, but you can all make your own decisions on that. All right, guys, I pull up a battery, but I don't think I have ever heard of a Power Max Super Deer. I've never seen a Super Deer battery before. It's a new one. All right,
Handcuffs.
hey, part of Handcuffs.
Cool.
Sweet.
I told you someone escaped from a jail.
I'm telling you, Jason found a file earlier. Some chain link. Now we're finding handcuffs. What in the world was going on out here? I haven't heard any banjo music yet. I think we're good. All right, we clicked onto some more metal here. It's been a little while since I've snagged hold of anything. It's a pretty good, solid piece of metal right there. Well, check this out. I got a nasty treble hook. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Right on. I like catching stuff like this. I'm gonna set it over there with the other fishing equipment I pulled up. All right, guys, we're gonna make one more toss out here, but I'm gonna do a sneak attack here and get up under the bridge one last time. All right, that last one just got me, oh, a fishing hook, fishing line, a bullet weight. But hey, that's some more fishing line up out of the water on the last toss out here, guys. All right, we're gonna move on to another location. Catch you there. All right, guys, we made it to a new location. I'm gonna have to do a little bit different with my GoPro because I lost the screw that mounts my GoPro to my chest mount. Don't know what happened to it. Clay's looking for it in the car. So I'm gonna set the GoPro off to the side. Jason's already fishing, and we're gonna get some stuff out of this water for you. What do you say? All right, getting it in the water. What do we have here? What in the world is this? Can't get your magnet off of it, item. Goodness gracious. I'm not surely sure what this is, guys. If you got any ideas, let me know down in the comments what you think that might be. Yeah, it started raining out here. It's nice and beautiful all of a sudden. But we got some fishing to do. I don't know if I've got tree bass or what, but what in the world? Okay. I don't know what I got here, but oh, it came off. Had rope and line and all sorts of stuff on that one. All right, guys, we're snagged something else up out of here. This looks like it's part of a frame, like maybe something from a car or truck or something. Like part of a chassis, maybe? I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. It's got some weight. What in the world? This is like a big old piece of pipe. Oh shit, toes. I'm good. It's close though. Oh yeah. Big old nasty piece of pipe. I don't see any friendlies in it though. Okay. I got something here. It has a fishing line. Fishing line was wrapped around a log. Keep dropping things on my feet down here. It's like just some scrap metal. Actually, it looks like that might have been a hinge part to something, like maybe a tailgate. We did find some truck parts down here. Plus a bunch of nasty old fishing line. Just pulled this up. Looks like it's a pin of some sort. It's kind of an interesting find. All right, what do we have here? This is a piece of wood with, I don't know, that looks like that might have been an old horseshoe. It's like stuck to this piece of wood. It might not be. But the bottom part right here is wood, and then this is metal, and it's like stuck to it. Oh, no, it's not. It's just braided wire. All right, the wire's out of the water. The wood's going back to the forest. All right, guys, making one last cast, and then we are gonna call it a day. All right, guys, we are done for the day. We actually had a pretty good day. Nothing too exciting, some good stuff at that first spot. Came back out here to one of our favorite locations and found some more stuff that we had missed before. Let me tell you, that Kratos 2400 clamp, oh yeah, I love it. If you would like to get your own Kratos magnet, Squatch 12 or DDPW 12, KratosMagnetics.com. KratosMagnetics.com. Let me make sure I say it right. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check out Daddy and Daughter Plus Water. Their link will be down in the description and tagged in the title. If you want any merch, any magnets, or any Dr. Squatch soap, those links will be in the description. Till the next time, guys, make sure you leave the place a little better than you found it. Stay squatchy, y'all.